Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Piston. Now we will cover the DAX. In the DAX, my first video is on the average here. So what is average, how we calculated? I hope everybody know what is average here. So I will see how it is calculated here. So take a table here. See now this is the order product ID, and for the given product ID this is the sales. We can see different value for the cells. Now we will calculate its average of the cells. So one method is click on the cells. We can see average, minimum, maximum, median, variance, standard deviation. So we'll select the average here. So this is the average cells for the given product ID here. Now suppose you want to calculate 25% of the average here. So we can do that thing also. For that, click on the new measures. Its name is 25% average. Average fact sales, this one, into sensitivity 25%, so we'll take 0.25 here. Now click here. So this is 25% of the average here. Now we can move it here. So this is, we can see this is 25% of the average of the each cell here. Now one thing we can move here, suppose in our project there might be multiple measures and all. So anyway, we can identify the measure by looking at the icon calculator, but we can also have a good practice here. Instead of that, keep all the measure in at one table here. So we can do that thing also. So click on enter data. Here, just rename it measure table integers load. So this is my measure table here. This is the DAX. Yes, go to the measure tool here. Select this measure 25% average. Go to the measure tools. In the home table, we can select measure table. Now this is 25% of the average measure. We can move here. So we can see this table. So advantage of having this will be all the measure will be at one place only. So it will be easy for us if we are working on project. So it's all depend on the project to project what practice they have. So we have to work according to that. Anyway, this is my practice which I follow for my project. So this is about how to calculate the average.